2017 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: trip computer, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, day-night rear view mirror, cloth seat trim, perimeter alarm, tinted glass, engine immobilizer, 4-piece floor mat set. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.